Hello guys, my name is Gia from Gia Tech School. In this video I'm going to teach you arithmetic operation in batch scripting. So basically what we're going to do in this video, we're going to do some addition, subtraction and multiplication and division function inside batch scripting. So first of all, I'm going to turn up my echo because I don't like to print those parts on my program. Then I want to pause it because I don't like, if I don't use it, the window will automatically close. So I'm going to create two variables set, and the variable name is num1, and I'm going to set to 5. Then I'm going to set another variable. So basically I'm going to copy this code because I can easily save some time. And 2, I'm going to give 2 here, and I'm going to give total. Okay, in the total what I'm going to do, I'm going to type num1 plus num2. Here you can see echo. I'm going to print out the total over here. What I have done here, I have created two variables such as num1 and num2. Num1 is 5, num2 is 2, so it is a numerical value because I used a, and I add them in the total. Whenever I use this variable, I put them inside a percentage mark, percentage signs. It is very important. For example, whenever you use a variable in batch scripting, you have to wrap them, you have to put them inside a percentage mark, otherwise it's never gonna work. Okay, so if I run this program, it's going to return 7. Okay, it's going to return 7. I have to put here, otherwise, okay, it's going to return 7. And if I subtract them, gonna return 3. If I multiply by 2, it's gonna return 10. If I divide 10 by 2, what's gonna happen? It is going to return 5. So the another thing you have to understand in batch scripting is using BODMAS order to do calculation. Okay, these are the things you have to learn. We have learned how to do some arithmetic operation in batch scripting. In the next video we're gonna learn more about batch scripting. So thank you very much for watching this video guys. I hope to see you in the next video.